Hi, it's Brett the Herbalist, and today we're back with another recipe that you can use on our Herbal Slim or our Body Tune programs. So this one is called a chunky chicken chowder, and it's got cream and corn in it. So coconut cream, and you can use fresh corn or frozen corn. And what I've done with this one, it's a bit of a cheat. We use what's called a whole cooked chicken. So you can get these in most supermarkets these days. And I've let this one cool off overnight, so it holds together when you start pulling it apart for the soup. But this is quite an easy one to make. It takes about half an hour and you've got a full-blown country-style chicken soup. So give it a go. Here's our ingredients. So we've got the whole chicken there, some frozen corn I've used, also some orange dal and a few mushrooms, a bit of onion and garlic. And we're going to use coconut cream as the cream for this, actually 2 cans. So first of all, we'll get the dal going because that'll take a little while. And while that's cooking, we'll just pull this chicken. So just pull it into little chunks that you might like to chew on as you're having your soup, sort of bite-sized chunks. And having this chicken cooled overnight makes it really good to pull apart into chunks because it holds together quite well. And you will find this is quite a lot of chicken, so you'll get 4 to 6 servings out of this soup for 2 hungry adults or more. Alright, so we're just going to dice up the garlic and onions. This is the base of our soup stock. Chop the mushrooms into bite-sized pieces as well. Now you can see that dal's cooking, so we're just going to let that dal cook a bit longer while we're starting the soup, because that'll go nice and thick and creamy as well. So we'll start with the garlic and onions, then we'll put in the paprika, turmeric and some curry powder, a couple of teaspoons each, depending on how warm you like it. And then I've just added some mixed herbs and soy sauce, just a little bit. And then we just basically throw in everything together. So that's it, with the dal, the chicken added, and 2 cans of coconut cream. And you just simply let this simmer through for about 10-15 minutes till it's nice and warm and you think the mushrooms are well cooked. And serve. Simple as that. And it's absolutely wonderful, this soup, very filling.